Want to see your Facebook password but can't remember it? In this video, I'll show you how to check your saved Facebook password on your device in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Go to menu. Click Settings. Click on Account Center. See, there is no options to see Facebook account. Password directly. To see Facebook password, follow my next important steps. Open the Settings app. Tap Google. Select Password Manager. Search for Facebook. Tap the Facebook account. Verify your identity using your fingerprint, PIN, or password. Tap the eye icon to reveal your saved Facebook password. Open Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, Password Manager. Find your Facebook login. Click it and verify your computer password if prompted. Click the eye icon to reveal your saved password. Important: if you never saved your Facebook password on your device, it cannot be viewed. In that case, you'll need to reset your password using Facebook's Forgot Password option.
Thank you.